I want to talk to you about the truth about how people are making money in AI in 2026, and it's probably not what you think it is. Right now, people are always searching for the new AI tool. They're looking for the newest prompt they can use to do cool things. That is not what people are making money on in AI in 2026. It's much, much simpler than that. You're honestly just helping out small business implementing AI solutions that can help them solve real world problems. Now, if you don't know what those problems are, let me help you understand a few of them. Number one, small businesses need to be able to answer the phones. Now, if you didn't know this, I'm talking about truth here. So 62% of all inbound calls to small businesses either go unanswered or unresponded to. That's lost revenue right there. So that is one easy fix that AI solution can actually fix. And I'm going to talk about that in this video. Other things are how to respond to customer faster, how to get appointments booked, how to stop losing leads. These are revenue generating activities that they will pay you money for every single month. When you set this up for them once, probably an hour, 2 hours max, this system just runs and continue to make you $500 or more every single month by just implementing these simple AI solutions. Now, I want to give you a lot of facts because I'm talking about the truth about making money. So when it comes to the truth, I want you guys to see just some of the numbers out there, the statistics for small businesses and how small businesses are using AI, what that means and what that looks like. So right now, what I'd like to do is switch over to my computer so I can kind of show you a little visual of the information I've collected for you. Okay, so this is going to be a lot of information, but again, I want to talk about the truth. And the truth is, if you've ever been a small business owner, if you know a small business owner, simply go ask them, what are your pain points? Are these problems serious problems like missing phone calls and booking appointments and everything like that? Most places can't even book an appointment online. Believe it or not, they have to do things manually. They don't have any automated way of doing that. And again, small businesses do not care about AI technology. And I hate to say it like that, but they don't. When you say the word AI, it doesn't mean anything to them. Now, an AI solution and what that solution can do for them, that is what's important to them. Can I help you stop missing phone calls coming in your business? Can I book more appointments? Can I book more appointments from your website? Can I respond to your social media request that comes across your Facebook page or your Instagram page? These are all things that if I can do that for you automatically and let you continue to run your business and generate revenue, this is what can help people. And this is why small businesses will pay you money for. Now, I'm trying to blow this up as big as I can here, but I just want to share some statistics with you and bring them all together. And hopefully this will make sense here. But we're going to start here at number one. First of all, I hate the fact that people say that there are too many service providers or too many people doing this inside of the world today. That is so false. It's actually just the opposite. There are so few people actually selling AI services. It's ridiculous. The amount of businesses out there that just have never even received a phone call, an email, or anything saying, hey, I can help you stop losing customers. Can we have a 5-minute conversation so I can help you understand how? Now, these statistics are going to go over some of the things I'm talking about here, but let's just start with the fact that there are little over 36 million businesses in the US alone. But just look inside of your area. There are millions of small businesses that are out there. And how many of these small businesses are actually using any form of AI, let alone implementing an AI system that can help them do all the things that we've already talked about? So out of that, roughly 58% of small businesses use generative AI. Now, if you don't know what that means, it means things like ChatGPT or an image content creation tool for social media posts and things like that. This graphic I'm looking at here, I actually built this using generative AI myself, but I did this so I could show you in a one nice area all these different numbers and have it flow correctly. So 58% use generative AI. So they ask ChatGPT something, they'll have it create an image, they'll have it do something, but that's just a tool. That's not a system. That's not a way of running your business in an automated fashion. So let's move on here. Many of the small businesses use AI, but fewer are actually have the automation behind it. When we're talking about AI, there are several different tools that all go into building a system. Now, again, businesses do not care about the tool, okay? They care about the result that tool can generate. So I don't care if it's AI or whatever. Can you help me answer phone calls? Can you help me book more appointments without me answering the phone? That's what if you can do that, then I will pay you $500, $800, $1,000 a month because I'm losing more than that, magnitudes more than that, 5, 10 times that every single month because I'm losing customers that I simply cannot respond to because I'm just so busy and I can't grow until I plug this leak. So again, 38% use some form of AI, but only 24% use customer service or digital assistants. Now, this is just in a small capacity. Again, these are not solutions. So let's move on. So right now, chatbots are huge. There are people out there that are starting businesses. If you build a chatbot, and I'm going to introduce you a software platform that I use that has all of these tools in it that you don't even have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about going out and putting together 3, 4, 5 different tools. So this system I'm going to talk about here has chatbots, but chatbots are easily something you could sell to small businesses for $197, $297 a month. They're a little piece of AI code you put on the website. People click on it, they can ask questions, they get a response, and with the system I'm going to show you, you can actually book an appointment. So all of those are available inside of the software platform. So again, chatbots are huge, but only 16% of small businesses use them, and even 24% of enterprises. So think 16%, that means 84% out of 36 million businesses, whatever, 25 million businesses or something like that, do not have a chatbot. Some of these businesses don't even have websites to put the chatbot on. All of these are business opportunities that people can help them out with. But AI, it's a great way to get in the door because it helps solve real world business problems. And here's another thing that I absolutely love about AI services, and you should too, is that it is not niche specific. Every business, massage therapists, nail salons, it could be dentists, it could be roofers, it could be solar providers, it could be heating and cooling companies. You take your pick. It could be any one of those. All the businesses have the same problems. It's just being able to answer the phone, not just during business hours, but after business hours as well. So please keep that in mind. Now, if you start looking, there are millions of businesses. And even as an AI agency, if you want to start your own AI business, having 100 customers can easily be generating you $50,000 a month. Okay. So you charge people so much money, 500 bucks, $1,000 a month, you get 100, just do the math. If you want to hop up to 200, 300 customers, some people might go crazy and do 500 or 1,000 customers. But what dent does 1,000 make in 36 million? It makes none. So that just makes sense that there's more than enough out there for everybody. Even if every company had 1,000 people paying $1,000 a month, that's a huge amount of money every month. But there's still millions of businesses that you can't help service, which is why I'm so passionate about this, because this is such a great business opportunity that people just need to get involved in this. Now, I'm only going over some very basics here in this particular video. I'm not going to go over any demonstrations, but right now, if you're interested in that free course, it might take you 2 hours if you sit down to kind of go through it all. But this right here would just say, is this something I'm interested in or not? Because this is a great business opportunity that you can start even when you're running your 9-to-5 job or as a side gig. One customer 1 month, $500. Another customer the second month, that's $1,000. Then $1,500, then $2,000. How many of those is it going to take for you to match or exceed your current 9-to-5 salary? $500 a month, 10 customers, that's $5,000. Do you see what I mean? $5,000 a month, and you're working, let's just call it 1 day a week for $5,000. And now you can go do whatever else you want to. You can even spend the rest of your time growing your business if you want to. But this is a great opportunity right now. And a lot of people just don't understand that it's not about the AI tools. It's not about the quick chat GPTs, or I can give you a prompt that can automate this and I can do all this. No, please don't go talk to a business owner and say that kind of stuff, because he or she's going to lead you right out the door. No, thank you. I don't have time for that. I only have time for people that can help me solve my business problems. So now that I said that, let me convert back and go over what we're talking about here. Number 5, new businesses that are consistently entering the market. Over 500,000 new applications for businesses in May 2026 alone. So not only do you have 36 million businesses, not only are a fraction of those businesses using AI, not only are there no service providers that can handle all of these work, you're actually getting hundreds of thousands of new businesses applying every single month. Okay, this is a huge blue ocean, if you understand what that particular term is. This is huge. And you're not even really selling AI services. That's the thing I love about this. For those people that really hate sales, you hate trying to convince people to buy your product or your service, this is not sales. This is just simply helping somebody. That's all it is. You're walking into a business and just saying, would you like help with stop losing your customer from calls, your website visitors, things like this? Would you like some help with that? I would be happy to sit down and spend a few minutes to help you understand. And if it works, great. That's all you're doing. So it's not even, it becomes selling to helping somebody out. It makes it a lot easier to approach people. And that's the kind of way I instruct people on how to do this whenever you start your own business. So number 6, there are many AI tools out there, but which ones are out there that can actually implement a system? Okay. I'm just going to tell you, I use a software platform called HighLevel. And I'm going to get into HighLevel and what some of the features are that HighLevel can use. But I at least wanted to let you know what the platform is. I've been using it for probably going on 5 years now, and I absolutely love it. I ran a business off of it back in the day, and I sold that business, and now I'm just working exclusively within HighLevel because it's continued to grow and add more and more features where small businesses don't need to go anywhere else. They can literally use HighLevel to really run their business. HighLevel has hundreds of features, but I'm just talking about maybe 4 features inside of HighLevel that you have to understand regarding AI to do what I'm talking about, to start making $500 or $1,000 a month per customer every single month. So let's continue here. So this right here is a big one, the gap of opportunity. So right now we've got 36 million small businesses. 13 are using some form of AI, ChatGPT, image generation, something like that, but not really in the system. But that's generative AI. That's not a system. That's a tool. And you have to keep using that tool over and over again and do something. It's not automated like the HighLevel software platform is. With HighLevel, you get all the different things that I'm going to talk about here in just a minute, but let me just stay focused. Using AI for customer service and digital assistance, 8 million. 8 million out of 36. Now, how many small businesses do you know that they really can't afford or don't want to hire somebody just to sit around and answer the phones all day? This is an absolute solution to that particular problem. So HighLevel can answer phone calls and do things like that. And again, we'll get to that in just a minute, but just the last stat is about 5 million of those businesses are actually using chatbots. And again, you're getting more and more businesses that are starting. And here's the thing that I think that you're going to see happen. You're going to start seeing the businesses that are joining, sort of being created right now, because whenever they get created, they need to start using a particular piece of software to run their business. Now, depending on what your business is, some of those may be specialty, like if you're a landscaper. I do know there are several landscaping companies that I've worked with that they have their own specific software so that they can route and map out the best ways to grass cut. If they have a bunch of houses in a certain area, it generates the best route for their crews to take so they don't waste time going across different areas. So that's a very specific piece of software that they would need for that. But HighLevel can do all the other things in there, from the customer relationship management, the CRM system where all their customers are, to handling the calendars and appointment bookings, to handling the AI piece for both inbound and outbound phone calls, from any text messages that come in, the website, social media. HighLevel can do all of that. And that leads right into this last graphic here, which, what is an AI employee? That is the term that HighLevel has given to all of their software tools so that you can think about it literally like no matter which way you're going to communicate with the company, calling, social media, Facebook page, you text the company, you go to the website and use the chat widget, you're approaching or you're talking to the same AI employee, meaning the same brain, if you will, that has been trained the same. So you'll get the same answer or the same response, whether you're calling, you're coming in from social media and so forth. So that's one of the benefits of this. And you can have it answer phone calls, the website chat, respond to messages. It can even respond to your inbound emails, automate that, all of your SMS and social media, book appointments, follow up with leads. It can even handle your Google review automation. And again, I know we're talking about AI services, but you can also include inside of the HighLevel platform easily how to completely automate an entire system to help businesses get more Google reviews. Now, I just want to let you know, so far in this video, I've given you $3 million a year business models. Yes, $3 million a year business models that people have proven to actually make this work. Number one is the chatbot. So people out there are just selling chatbots. That's all they do. Another one is AI employee services, which is what we've been talking about. Answering phone calls, responding, answering questions, booking appointments, following up with customers, things like that. And then finally, you've got Google Review Management. So all of those are different services that you could charge differently for. The AI employee services, that could be $500 a month. The website chat widget, that's another $197 a month. Google Reviews, that's another $297 a month. Now that service alone, you're probably at $1,100 a month for incorporating all of that. And you're charging them $1,100 a month and getting paid for setting things up in a couple of hours, and it just runs month after month. It is. And the HighLevel software platform can do that. Now, if you're interested, if you've never done anything with AI services or Google reviews or chatbots and things like that, one of the things I would encourage you to do is just simply sign up for the free course in my video description. Please do that, because I want to sit back and make sure that you understand what it is. Again, go in a little bit more detail about why small businesses need this so much, how you can price it, how you can set it up, how easy it is to set up. Those things are done inside of the course that you can do in a few hours. Now, once you finish that, if you're looking to sign up, There's also a 30-day free trial. If you go directly with this high-level software company, you only get a 14-day trial. Because I'm an affiliate of theirs, they allow me to give you a 30-day free trial. So this means with my help, whenever you get signed up, you don't even have to build any of this stuff inside of HighLevel. I already have it built for you. And I give it to you whenever you sign up. All you do is copy and paste it into your account, and then you can get your business set up literally within 24 hours, up and fully functional, including website, automations, funnels, all of that stuff is completely done for you. So just imagine, let's just say for sake that you took 3 days to set up your business. You go out, you start talking to a few people about it. You get a customer signed up. You can start collecting money from your customer before you even need to pay HighLevel your first month, before that 30 days is even up. So you've got weeks to go out and get new customers, and you get one-on-one access to me. So again, please take it slow. This is just an opportunity that's out there that is making people a lot of money, and I want to make sure that you understand it. Thanks so much for hanging in there with me, and have a great day. Bye-bye.